What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got this car. I put in a stud. Very simple, very easy. Okay, this stud, as you can see, is broken and I pulled one off. This was stripped right here. So this is what we're looking at: a stripped stud and a broken stud. And I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way to put this stud in. And make sure you get the correct stud first of all, and you don't want to buy a bad stud for a wrong vehicle. So I called up the parts guy, he knows his stuff. So we got a new stud. So what I did was I put my new stud in the fridge. I have one in the fridge sitting. I'm gonna go get it and we're gonna do this together. Okay, so it's very simple to change these guys, and it's very easy. And what you need to take out is a disc, take off your brakes, the caliper, everything has to be out of the way. And after that, I'm gonna go get a hammer. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some gloves on. Okay, we're gonna bring it to this area. I did bend this a bit, it's okay. Some of them don't have no clearance, then it's a different story. Okay, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this over right here, and I want you to just tap this just like that. It's gonna come out. After that, blow some air in it, make sure it's nice and clean in there. Usually it's always clean in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get my new stud. And again, here's our old stud. It's all broken up and stripped up. Now we're gonna put in a new stud, and I'm gonna go get it. It's in the fridge. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had this thing in the fridge for about an hour. It's nice and cold. When it's cold, what happens is it shrinks. Okay, it shrinks. So make sure you have that there. So I do have a nut here. Okay, this nut is perfectly round. It will not damage the threads. And then we're gonna put our lug nut on top. And if you see any damages, then you have to redo it. But these pieces are like $5 and $3 for a lug nut probably. And watch this. Bada bing, bada boom. After that, what you want to do is you want to spin this guy, make sure it doesn't hit anywhere in the back. And I still need to take off the lug here. So there you go. That's what we're looking at right there. And that's how you replace a broken or stripped stud. Something like this, mechanic might charge you about 100 some bucks, and it would be best if you do it when you're doing your brake job. And after that, what you want to do is make sure your lug nut goes in nice and smooth. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you're gonna replace this guy. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to leave a message down below. See you guys on the next one. So make sure you put your rotors, your bracket, brakes, and caliper back together. You're all done. See you guys on the next one.